What's up, guys, and welcome back to Wake Up Entertainment. So, Musa Mseleku was at a dinner with all of his four wives, and that dinner was actually meant to make sure that all the problems that are in this Mseleku family have been ironed out. And that's when Musa Mseleku actually told the other wives that he is going to tell Macele about this fifth wife, so that she introduced the fifth wife to them. So Mayeni actually didn't want to hear nothing about it. So Mayeni wanted to hear this for herself at that dinner, at that very moment. That's when Musa Mseleku then refused to actually tell her. So it is at this very moment when Musa Mseleku had refused to tell Mayeni about this fifth wife. That's when Mayeni then started dropping all the files. And this file went very, very hard because it was really personal to Macele herself. Mayeni said that Musa himself, he was saying there is nobody that he has saved more than Macele herself. So you can see how personal this is, and Macele was not happy because Mayeni herself was appearing as if she was now poking her affairs into the business of Musa and Macele herself. Of course, Mayeni had to cross the line because she felt like she was being disrespected in this marriage. Because surely, how can Musa Mseleku tell that the fifth wife to Macele, then Macele is going to come and announce to all the other wives? Mayeni is having none of that. So you can clearly see that Macele is being favored here by Musa Mseleku, in she is being held to a highly privileged position amongst all of his wives. Because it's actually Musa Mseleku himself who says that when you are in a polygamous marriage, as a man, you must love all of your wives equally. But here, Musa Mseleku seems to be favoring Macele over all of his other wives. So what does this situation really tell us? What can we observe from here? Because what we can see here is that Musa Mseleku's introduction of the fifth wife, it's less about uniting the family, at least from the way I'm seeing it. This is more about maintaining control within this polygamous marriage, even if it means that it's going to fuel a lot of resentment amongst his other wives. But it has to be done to make sure that Musa Mseleku gets that control back. At least that's how I'm seeing it. So tell me what you think in the comment section, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.